Unfortunately, older adults and incapacitated younger adults are sometimes the victims of abuse, neglect, and exploitation. The county's Adult Protective Services program specializes in investigating reports of maltreatment. If a report is found to be valid, social workers act to ensure that the adult is safe. Adults receiving protective services may live in their own homes, live with relatives, or reside in nursing homes, assisted living facilities, hospitals, or group home facilities.
The goals of APS are to stop and prevent abuse, neglect, and exploitation using the least restrictive means possible. They're also to link the individual to the necessary resources and services, and they're also to keep the individual functioning independently. After the initial report comes in, Adult Protective Services provides a prompt and thorough investigation into the allegations of abuse, neglect, or exploitation. At this time, we also provide case management services. Those include services such as home care, referral to daycare centers, referral to Meals on Wheels, the least restrictive means possible to keep the individual in their home.